Hello, hello. Today we are going to keep talking about the long I sound. This time we're going to use Y as the long I sound when Y makes the long I. So often when we have a one syllable or sometimes two syllable words where Y ends, so notice how Y acts as the vowel, it acts as the I, my. Because every word we need a vowel, but sometimes Y becomes the vowel. Like my, buy, cry. Yep, excellent. You're doing this? Trying hard. Great job. Why? Good job. Fry, dry, shy, up in the sky. Now let's try some two syllable words with a Y that acts as a long I. Deny, reply, and apply. Excellent job, everyone. Keep on learning. Have a wonderful, fantastic day. I'll see you again soon.